Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oka Love Light. We're going to jump right on into it. Today is a work day, so I took me 3 egg bites to work. I did the 2 regular ones and then the one that I made like in a donut pan. They were still low in carbs and low in calories. We're going to move right on to my meal prep that I did for lunch. This was so good. I could do this meal prep for lunch, y'all. So this was my lunch at work. And now we are just going to jump into dinner that I had when I came home. I wanted something quick and easy. I really wish I had like another meal prep that I could have ate for dinner because I sure did not feel like making anything. So I just decided, I'm like, you know what? The easiest thing I could think of is to throw some tuna in a bowl, put some onion powder, put some red pepper flakes in there, some mayo, a little bit of oregano and Italian seasoning. Mix that thing on up together and we're going to call it a day. I'm going to put it on my low carb tortilla too. So go ahead and get into it and I'll come back when I'm done.
I think about New York. I think about both your crazy blue eyes. I think about Manhattan. I don't know what happened, but I miss those times. Holding my hands on the subway so I wouldn't fall, still down I'd go. And you'd pick me up, whether on those trains or when I felt low, running through streets like taxi cabs. I didn't know how good we had everything with us. Just know I miss it bad. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway. Hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Downer. Can't sleep when you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then. What a mess we made. From kisses on the river, from gold to silver, now we're just in gray. From sneaking our way into rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing else.
All right, y'all. So this was so good that I ate 2 of these things. They were so good. Here is my snack for tonight, and then that is going to be it for the day. It was 1,376 calories and it was exactly 18 net carbs. Now here is the next day. I'm just going to be making me a cup of coffee. Yes, I use instant coffee because I found that I really like instant coffee. Don't judge me. Don't be them people. Don't be one of those people who be judging me. Don't judge me. I'm also going to use about 1/4 cup of sugar-free hazelnut creamer, and I'm going to be eating my egg bites since I still have some left and I don't want them to go bad. So I'm going to eat 3 of those, and I'm also going to make 3 of my little sausages that I have left so we can get rid of those as well. So go ahead, get into it, and I will come back for lunch.
In New York City, I hope you think of me on every pavement, mostly in Brooklyn, my favorite. It won't be easy when you go back and see I left traces in my heart from upstate down to Central Park. So you'll think of me when you go back to the city. When you go back, when you go back, when you go back to the city.
All right, y'all, so we are going to be making our meal prep again. I'm kind of going to be making the same thing. The only difference is I'm going to be making my cauliflower rice into like dirty rice. I'm just getting the avocado oil that just kind of like seeped off the chicken. I'm getting the last little bit and put it on my chicken. So we're going to be making the leg quarters again. I'm going to season it this time though with Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, paprika, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of red pepper. And that's it. We're going to pop this in the air fryer on 375. I'm going to cook each leg quarter for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm going to flip it halfway through. I do let mine cook about an extra 10 or 15 minutes. So I guess about 30 minutes, truthfully, 30 to 35 minutes. And because I like mine to be like crispy, because I want the skin to be a little bit crispy. And then I will show you how I make the dirty cauliflower rice.
Used to know about love. Thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart. Until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. Showed me that ain't fair. Now I see that's why.
All right, y'all. So now that we have all of our vegetables in the pan, we are just going to go in and season with our originals, which is, of course, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, oregano, red pepper flakes, and parsley. I put a lot of onion powder in here because I really wanted to give it that boost of onion flavor. And of course, I put a lot of garlic powder in here. And we are going to just saute this until it get a little bit soft. Then we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce and then a little bit of oyster sauce. That makes it so good. I really wish, y'all, I had some red peppers to put in here because that redness would have gave it that pop of color. Like, I like to eat the rainbow a little bit. So I really wish I had some red peppers, but I didn't. It still turned out good because I had this for dinner this day. Well, lunch and dinner for this day because I kind of skipped lunch. So my dinner was lunch and dinner. So I had this as well for dinner, and it was so good. It was so good. So I did meal prep for 3 days with this, and I also had it for dinner. All right, I'm rambling now. Go ahead, get back into the video.
With everybody else. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around, you broke me down like I never thought you could.
So this time, you guys, I decided just to break the chicken in half. The last time I did this, I broke it into 3 and it made 3 meal preps. But I'm just going to throw another one in the air fryer. This way I can break that in half and I can put 1/2 towards the 3-day meal prep. And then I can use the other half for tonight for dinner. So Easy peasy. Y'all, these leg chicken quarters at Aldi's was only $7 for 4 of them. Go get y'all some. Here is my snack that I'm going to be eating. This is it. This is all. I thought I recorded myself with dinner, but I did not, so I'm not going back. And then the last thing is my sparkling water, and that is it. So today was 1,235 calories, and it was 20 net carbs. That is going to be the end of the video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing. It will really help my channel out, but only if you want to. And those who keep coming back, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for sticking this out with me and sharing this journey with me. And thank you guys for all of the lovely happy birthday wishes. I felt so appreciative and so adored. Thank you guys so much. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.